Yeah, myself Dilip Kumar Swain. I am presently Assistant Professor, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. So before joining as Assistant Professor in 2006, I was a postdoctoral research fellow at the United Nations University, Tokyo. This institute with Professor Srikant Herath, my advisor, and I did my bachelor's in agricultural science, master's in agricultural science, and PhD from IIT Kharagpur. Also, my PhD research was in fertilizer uses, which backed Fertilizer Association of India Silver Jubilee Award. My research is climate change impact assessment and climate change adaptations evaluation on agricultural production system. This is my primary focus, and crop modeling and simulations to evaluate the climate change analysis, and also organic farming as an approach for climate change mitigation and improving food quality. So now this major research topic what we want to see, the sustainable agricultural production. So we should have a research. The sustainable agriculture means to meet the need of the present generation and also the requirement of the future generation. In that way, we should increase our production. At the same time, we should make sure the environment is sustainable, that is food security and environmental sustainability. That should be a major research area. So this events are the climate change impacts on food security. The food security, as you know, is the major as a global importance, and climate is changing from the past, and also there is a projection future it will also temperature will rise. So looking at the past scenario and the projection for the future, we should have the understanding of the climate change impacts on food production on local scale as well as the global scale to meet the demand of the projected population. So in that point of view, the climate change impact on global food security is highly relevant, and is the high time to address this issue and work accordingly, so that the future food demand should be met in spite of the climate is obstacles for the agricultural production. This is a very good program. I appreciate this program because through this program there is a international collaboration, because scientists from many developed country, they come closer, they have a exchange program, they exchange ideas, exchange their knowledge sharing. So this will have a greater impact in the many sectors, as like agricultural sectors. They can have their view to the farming community, and that I think that is a way to take forward the climate change adaptation to local scale.